Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we will see how to create IAM users, groups, and even how to assign permissions. I am Hartin Jacob Kanagatotu. I am an author, architect, and tech evangelist. You can learn more about me or even connect with me at linkedin.com/in/Hartin. We can search for IAM, which stands for Identity and Access Management. We can first create a group as it is a best practice. So we can go to groups, we can click on create group, we can give a name. Let us give super admins and let us assign a permission now itself. We can assign permission later also. Since this is a group of super admins, I'll give one of the strongest permissions, which is administrator access. And I can click on create user group. I can create a user and add to this group. I can go to users. I'll create a user. I'll name it as Hartin. I can select this option, provide user access to AWS management console. I can do it now or I can do it later also. Other options I'll leave as is. Click on next. I'll add the user to the group super admins. I can set permission boundary if needed. We will see permission boundary and all in a different session. Click on next, review everything and click on create user. I can email sign in instructions. I can also download a CSV file with all of these details. I can also copy this password and save it securely. I will need to change this password when I sign in using this username later. I can get back to users list. I can get back to IAM. Now, as a user, how do I sign in? I can copy paste this URL or I can even use the account ID as we saw in the session about account aliases. If you haven't watched it, I would suggest you watch it now on a different browser tab. I can run the URL. As you can see, the alias is already populated. Username is Hartin and password I'll use the one I had copy pasted. Click on sign in. It will ask me to change the password. I'll have to enter the old password and I have to provide a new password. I can click on confirm password change. If you want, you can update it. It's completely optional. And then you can continue to sign in. So now I have logged in as my IAM user Hartin, who is also having the administrator permissions. Creating IAM users is part of the first edition of my book, AWS Security Cookbook First Edition, but it was not added as a primary recipe in the second edition because it's simple and moreover we'll be learning about another service called IAM Identity Center soon. You can also read my notes on cloud at cloudrix.com. You can see the recordings of my sessions on cloud at my YouTube channel Cloudrix. You can find my contact information at codingarchitect.ca/contact. The number might change. So rather than remembering the number, I would suggest remembering the URL or just my LinkedIn profile. So bye bye for now and see you all in next class.